I think it is a great auspicious day for all the Chitkarians, and once again I'm very, very thankful to all the people listening to me that it is a proud moment for Chitkara to have him on the campus. Thank you.
남진 처음으로 유산 거치죠. 위죠. 그다음에 빨리 맞다이 쳐버리고. So now, today, we really need some education about our emotion, about our mind. Otherwise, basic nature, these positive things there are, but our brain, they mainly thinking material value. So in education, should include about our mind, emotion, and how to tackle these things. So that basic human nature, warm-heartedness here, brain education, also you see they make clear warm-heartedness is the source of happiness, inner strength. And ultimately, warm-heartedness is a source of or basis of world peace. University.
I am thankful for your presence and acknowledge that you fly in from far off places to teach our students.
It was such a lovely experience, and I'm still, I got his blessings. I could hold his hand, and that was so enlightening, and I had goosebumps. And I'm so excited and happy that he is here on the campus. Thank you.